Hey everyone, hope you liked the first video on action idioms. Now, let's jump into the second one. Get ready for more fun as we explore exciting phrases that bring language to life. First idiom is, hold the fort, means take charge and manage things while someone is away. For example, boss asks to me.
I'm stepping out for a bit. Can you hold the fort?
Next idiom is, drop the ball. This means, to make a mistake or fail to do something that is expected. For example, Sam dropped the ball by forgetting to bring the important file to the meeting. What about this one? Hold your horses. Well, it's a way of telling someone to wait or to be patient. Example, before you buy that car, hold your horses and take some time to research different models and prices. It's like saying don't rush. Take your time. Break a leg. Hey, don't be afraid. It's just an idiom. It's a way of saying good luck. Example, before the big competition, his friends wished him well, saying, break a leg. So, break a leg means wishing someone all the best before an important performance or event. What about this one? Catch someone's eye is an expression which means to attract someone's attention. For example, the colorful artwork in the gallery really caught my eye. Remember, when something stands out due to its quality, appearance or significance, it catches your eye. Big thanks for joining our action-packed idiom journey. Stay tuned for more excitement, and remember, the adventure continues with every word.